What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And guys, we just got an unboxing for you guys today. So let's find out what we got. We got two things in here. The first thing we got is Flush Away. It's one of my all-time favorite movies. Pet Mouse thinks he got it made until he's literally flushed away to a bulging underground world of ninja frogs, rats, and singing slugs. As he tries to adapt to his surroundings and find a way to get out, he meets an scavenger Rita and a toad that takes him on an unforgettable journey. From 2006. I think this is from 2006. Yeah, but we got Flush Away without the slip cover, but that's fine. And if you didn't see my past unboxing, I got Zack Ryder. Oh yeah, and what do you think about the new haircut? I kind of like it, and the beard cut. And then I got the Best of Raw and SmackDown Live from 2018. And right now I'm watching Firehouse Dog. I got for $4. And then I got the Falls Count Anywhere set. So, yeah. Let me get this off. Finally. This is one of my all-time favorite movies. And I think I had this on DVD twice, but I have no idea where it is. So now I have it on Blu-ray. Which I can now wait to watch without the digital code. So, whatever. At least it's brand new with the disc. Brand new. And then the last thing I got on release day, I got Saraya, Hell in Boots, Crawling My Way Through 9 Lives. As you know, Saraya is Paige from WWE and Saraya from AEW. We also got Fighting With My Family. Stars her in it. And I got this on release day. This releases today on Amazon. And this is 258 pages, which I might do. I might pre-order soon. And it's 258 pages long. You got the boots right there. I might pre-order the thing that comes out in August, which is Life is Pain. The Karrion Kross book. But yeah. Today we got Saraya, Hell in Boots. I also got the haircut for free, first of all. We got Flushed Away. And yesterday or 2 days ago, I got Falls Count Anywhere. I got the Best of Raw and SmackDown 2018. And we also got Superstar Collection of Zack Ryder. Yeah. So, if you guys don't know what I'm doing with the Superstar Collections, I'm going to be reviewing them for you guys. I just got to watch them first. I don't know when they'll be released, but I think over the next couple of days when I go out of town on that special trip I'm going on. I'm going to a wedding. My friend's getting married. And yeah, they're going to be reviewed for you guys during then. I'm going to review them on Thursday because I'm leaving Friday morning. So, next Thursday. So, I'm going to watch them this week during spring break that I'm on, and then review them next week. So, yeah. But these are my 2 unboxings for today. Flushed Away. Let's see if it says when this came out. I want to say 06, but yeah, we got Flushed Away and Soraya's new book that I will be reading very soon. I hope. I have the Matt Rife book I still need to read, and then these 2 books I still need to read. The Alan Wake book and the Matthew Perry book. So, I have a 5-hour road trip ahead of me. So, one of these books are coming. So, guys, this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings. As you know, please follow the YouTube buzzards. Yeah. Whoa. The book and the movie are wonderful. Yes. So, guys, this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings. As you know, I have one more unboxing coming, which I think is coming in 1 hour. And I'll make an unboxing for that as well. But, guys, this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know, and I'm out. Peace!